name is Mark. Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo. I'm very sorry, I'm a lot of QSB here. My call sign is 100 Alpha Tango 101. Over.
Okay, 100% copy there. 100 Alpha Tango 101 Mr. Mark 79 Alpha Uniform 5936 Philippines, and my personal is November Alpha November. Roger.
Thank you very much.
1 Alpha Tango 179 QSL.
And your operator name is Nan. Well, great to hear you, Nan. Thank you. I just spoken to a friend of mine in Australia. I was just changing frequency and I heard your CQ call. So really nice to hear you today, Over.
Yeah, QSL. Yeah, it's very good to make a contact with you there. To your location, you in the Korea? Is South Korea or North Korea? Over.
Yeah, I'm in South Korea. Not definitely not North Korea. I think the North Korean stations I've never heard. Not so far, but I'm in South Korea now.
Yeah, QSL. Yeah, you making a good trip to the Philippines. I got you about 3x5. Beautiful signal there, Mr. Mark. My personal is November Alpha November. But well, thank you very much for acknowledging my call to North Korea there. 100 Alpha Tango 101 Mr. Mark, North Korea. 79 Alpha Uniform 5936, and thank you very much for contact. And 73 is out there. Roger.
Roger, Nan. Well, thank you also, and I hope you have a great weekend up there in the Philippines. Well, right now it's Korea local time. It's 2:50 p.m. It's temperature freeze at about 29 degrees, which is coming into summer. So thanks very much. All 73 the best wishes to your family, Nan, and hope to hear you again. 79 Alpha Uniform 5936 100 Alpha Tango 101.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good one. 73s.